There's nothing like homemade whipped cream, so let's give our brand new whipped cream maker and decorator a try. So we're going to fill up some heavy cream, a little vanilla, some powdered sugar. And one thing I love about this new redesign is that the lid screws on and there's arrows to show you exactly where to make sure it's all lined up. And we're going to pump until we feel some resistance, and then that's when we screw off the top and decide if it's what we want it to be. And then you have a couple options. You could just scoop it out, or we could actually plunge it out and use the little decorator. So I'm getting off as much whipped cream as possible, adding on the little thing to make a plunger, going at an angle before, again, screwing on the lid and making sure that the arrows all line up. And there's a little air vent on top, and we're going to open that before we start pushing down. Switching out the decorator. I just love that this is an option with this one, and then squeezing it right on, and it was so good. And again, just like the old one, you can actually store the rest in the refrigerator. So all I did was take off that decorator piece and then added the bottom so I could put it in the fridge for later.